Hey y'all, today's profit is $116. I started by breaking down the chart, going to the 3 minutes since I am a scalper and very impatient. And so I want to make sure that I know how the structure has been formed in the pre-market session. Here you see me stopping the chart so I'm not getting fear of missing out by looking at it move. And I wanted to just stop it and put it in replay so that I could analyze. And so I put my call and my put levels according to how I was taught. I learned how to trade using options, but now I trade futures. But yes, here you see me using call and put levels. And if you didn't notice, it had already reached the call level. It was already going up. But I do this again, just out of habit, something that I learned to do. I'm also scrolling back to see the structure. And so my light gray lines just kind of give me an idea of structure where price may stop, go, retest. And really it's mainly for retest. I'm trying to see where the structure is. So I put gray lines just to help me see what's going on. Any gaps I notice, I want to go back and see, okay, well, where's the structure in between this gap? Because I know my take profit isn't large. And so these levels of structure kind of help me to know when is a good spot to get in, when is a good spot to get out. And I also want to make sure I have some structure already drawn for beneath that put level. My two time frames I use are the 30-second and the 10-second. I use 10-second for my entries, and 30-second is more of a confirmation for me. Lets me know the trend and all that good stuff. The first thing that I'm looking for, y'all, is to see, okay, well, what is my trend? And I kind of see higher highs, higher lows being formed on my 10-second. And right here, I'm just trying to see how much it's already moved. And also, like, if it want to consolidate, how much is that going to be for me if I wanted to trade top to bottom, bottom to top. But again, you see higher lows are being formed. So I draw my green arrow, letting me know visually. I am a visual learner, so I need visuals. But that green arrow lets me know I'm looking for calls. Also, you see my level of structure. I was hoping that it would come back down and retest that level so that I could get in, but it did not. And so you'll see it continues to go up and up and up. And I did get on the charts late today. And so had I been on the charts, I might would have gotten in a little sooner and rode this wave, but I was not. So you'll see what's about to happen. So now, y'all see my TP is 15 ticks. I'm a baby right now, and my stop loss is 10. I'm trying to be consistent. What I noticed going on in the market here, okay, it is trending up as far as what I'm looking at, but I did see on the 30-second, I had that purple candle with that strong, long wick or whatever. And so I'm like, okay, this baby might want to go down. And let's see. All right, so your girl got in for a sale and got right out because that's not how I trade. I need to know that it is an uptrending market. I need confirmation that it is selling. So now I see that it's going down a good bit. It might be about to retest, right? So here I'm like, ooh, this thing is right at my little structure level. It's retesting. Let me go back. I'm about to buy this thing, right? And so here you see me. I think I'm about to click buy. That 30-second over there, does not have confirmation for me. That it has not given me any candle letting me know it's going up. And I'm like, bro, you tripping. You need to get out of here. So I did get out. All right. Here we see the market going up, right? I should have stayed in my trade right there. Like, this is what you see me doing. I'm going to go backwards a little bit and see if you can see what I just did. Okay. Now, here. This is one of the most helpful things to me, putting a little vertical line because it aligns with my other time frame. So here, when I see I had that candle over here on that 30-second, let me know, all right, that gives me a little more confluence or confirmation, let me know it's still going up. And over here, I just had my retest. And so now I am moving my structure again to see if I have a retest down here somewhere. I'm like, maybe I'll have it here. Or maybe I'll have it here. Your girl don't know. Because look, it look like it's doing it again. It's looking like, okay, bam, that's your retest. You finna need to get in. Oh, or are you? Or are you? How that baby closed, I'm not sure. I got out real quick. You feel me? Real quick. I am curious to see how she moves from here. Let's see. But I have been in a winning trade. See how slow this baby moving? You see? Ooh, I don't know. Now she look like she might want to go on down. Okay? And so I'm watching. I think I did stop this clip. Oh, girl, you want to buy? You trying to buy again? Well, you should have stayed in if that was the case. Look scary. But here I see a little consolidation happening. And I'm like, it's time for me to draw a box. And watch this, y'all. Watch this. Just watch. Watch this. Watch. I'm like, what's going on? This thing moving slow. I'm like, ooh, she might be going down. I like that little wick at the top. Ooh. But for me, I'm learning that really it's only two things that's going to happen. You're going to win or you're going to lose. Right? And every day is a risk. Every day I'm going in thinking that it's a chance or knowing it's a chance that I'm going to lose my 200 for the day. And so that's what happened all last week. But we ain't talking about that. So in this case, I should have stayed in that trade knowing that it followed all of my rules. And I would have been done. I would have been able to move my stop loss to break even and even move my stop loss to profit. And I would have been good. Okay, because as you see, it is going to continue to move. And so what I'm working on is staying in a trade because I'm low-key scary. High-key, yeah. All right. And I'm going to just let y'all watch how this plays out. And I'm going to break this down even further. I noticed my candles moving slow. I don't know if it's because I'm on demo with Topstep, excuse me, or just time. But I'm like, what's going on? So I want my volume bars up. And then, bop, 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 bam. Yeah, I mean, she moving. And I'm scary and I'm missing out. And so I noticed my emotions wavering. And I'm like, okay, Brittany, you finna really get in here and try to get all that back that you, yeah. And so you see me scrolling like, yeah, you scared. You could have had all that money. Yes. From probably around 5921 to 5930, where we are. Like, for me, that's a lot. And so I'm like, okay, it's time for me to get off the markets, off the charts, because I have taken my maximum trades for today. though my P&L is not what I want it to be, I have to remember, had I been on a live account, which I was on all last week, and lost about $100 and something every day. But anyway, had I been on a live account, I would have been happy with that. And so I'm like, okay, I'm going to be done because I can't trust myself. Excuse me. So yeah, I said I'm going to be done because I can't trust myself, or I thought I said I was going to be done. Let's see what I'm doing, y'all. Mind you, this happened about 30 minutes ago. I'm just sitting here analyzing my trade. And so, yeah, that's a retest, baby. What are you doing? Look at me switching it up. Let's go. Let's go. Scary. Scary. Oh, no, don't get in. Look at that 30-second. Oh, and I looked up. Yeah, looked up real bad. Good job. But here, guys, that would not have been good for me because my 30-second didn't give me that green candle confirmation. Pink in my case. Now, let's see how this 30-second candle closed, though, baby girl. She closing ugly. She closing real ugly. Yeah, don't trust her. So, for me, clearly your girl ain't had enough, bro. Look at it. Look at it. I'm like, yeah, I need that. That's what I said. Watch, I'm finna get out because I'm scared. Watch now. Watch now. Told you. Watch. But watch. She's gonna go down. Look. And I'm like, nah, let me get off. So here you see my P&L is 116 for today. All right. And that's it for today, y'all. Let's see what tomorrow brings.